I'm going to go to a new Home Goods. So we're gonna go do that today, right now, before it gets dark. Okay, so this one I haven't been to. The map light, I feel like this one's a little bit more further than the one that I usually go to that's a little bit further away from my house. I think it's because it's so much street that you have to take that it's insane. But let me see if it's good, because I know that around this area it's pretty good. And all Home Goods, TJ Maxx, and Marshalls always carry different items, so depending on the area it goes from high end and so on. So hopefully I find more home decor. I'm obsessed. I need help. Babe, carrot cake?
This morning, actually.
You will get something to eat, but bring me carrot cake.
And I already had the little pot, so I just
You're mean.
It's gorgeous, it's beautiful.
And then came the winter, the snow, and the sleet.
Good job. Hey guys, good morning. So yesterday I went to 2 different Home Goods and I bought so much crap, as you could tell, and I got extremely scared taking it down the truck because my husband will tell me to chill, and I got no chills apparently in me. So I'm gonna go get coffee, and my husband has been really sick tremendously, so I had to take care of him too apparently. I'm gonna try to find the Miss Meyer's new scent and then get Tic Tac some new balls. My husband just called and he told me that he wanted an epic burrito from Del Taco. A man that is sick will never eat Del Taco. Starting to figure that he just didn't want to go to work today. Today I did like the very minimal, since I only had like 10 minutes to do my makeup. I practically just put mascara and then a bright lip color, which never looks good on me, honestly. Like, I'm looking at myself right now and I'm like, but I had to put something on because I'm not about to go to Target looking like I'm about to walk into Walmart, you know? I'm gonna just go get like a venti water and then get what I need from Target and then go to Starbucks and then Del Taco. I'm excited, okay? Is that weird? I'm excited to get cleaning supplies. Whatever. They don't have it. So disappointed. These are Tiki's favorite balls. Tiki, you ready? Go crazy, girl! Go crazy! She always goes for the green one. Which one you want? Which is gonna be your favorite, Tiki? Oh, she got one. Oh my god, I am so tired, and I think it's like no more than 12 o'clock. These cramps are kicking my ass right now. It's I can't feel like that, y'all. Gotta clean my whole house today. Today is my Sunday. Sucks balls. Anyway, I'm right here at Del Taco getting him his burrito. Could have gone to Wendy's. Alright guys, so I didn't have the Meyers. I was looking for the, I think it's called like Fawny set, but I'm gonna try this one out. I don't know if you guys could see it. I only like the Clorox one when I want to disinfect things. Let's head to Starbucks. I wish I knew you. I ended up getting this charging cable and I ripped up the whole box, but I ended up getting this charging cable from TJ Maxx for $10.99, and it charges my phone. It takes like a whole hour just to get 1%. And this one sucks too. This one was for 20 bucks. I did not rip up this box like I ripped up the charger. $19.99, and it supposedly charges your phone like a portable charger. That sucks too. It takes forever to charge, and it doesn't charge your battery completely, so this dies first before your battery charges 100%. My husband, the only reason why I ended up buying a portable charger was because my husband ordered one from Amazon, and it's huge. It's like that big, it's heavy, but I'm telling you guys that battery charger charges faster than when you plug your phone to your wall. It is such a good charger. If I find it from Amazon, I will have it linked down below. I have no idea how much he paid for it, but the thing is that I wanted my own because when I plug my phone at night, I tend to use my phone at night, and when I want to turn around, it unplugs itself. So I like me using his portable charger because I could still watch Grey's Anatomy at night while I'm laying down, and I could still move with it because it's a portable charger, you know? So I have it listed down below if you guys are interested in that, but I'm gonna return those back to my store because these really did suck.
A room infested with cockroaches.
Tiki! Hi!
Good girl.
Tiki! Hi, sweetie! These are some of the items that I clean my house with. I used to be like a Clorox person, you know, wiping all the counters and using it for all purposes. But, you know, obviously it's bad for you, and these are way better, I think. I like the Clorox one because you just spray it and then it absorbs like the grease or whatnot, and then it's easy to clean. With this ones, I feel like you struggle a little bit more to clean it, but it's much more better and it smells way better than a strong odor. So obviously you could get this brand at Target. This one I think was for $3 or $4.99 at Target. To make your house smell bomb, I ended up getting this one right here. This one was for $3.99. The thing about this is that the smell does not withhold for a very long time. It smells good at that instant, but that's it. So if they could, you know, make the scents last for a little bit more, that would be great. But it's still worth it for $4. It smells amazing. This one is called Wild Freesia and Bamboo. Very, very good. It smells like perfume, so it's really, really good. I ended up getting this one as well, also for $3.99. This one is a multi-surface cleaner. And this one is in Spring Leaves. Smells really good too. I smell all the items there when I buy it, so I'm very picky how it smells. I just don't want something to smell really nasty like the Clorox one. And then I ended up getting this glass cleaner, also from TJ Maxx, I think. Yeah, for $3.99 as well. So this one is okay. Not like a big deal. I wouldn't get it again. I'll stick to like these right here. But all my cleaning supplies usually come from TJ Maxx. I find that they are like more natural in a sense. So if you guys are interested, if I find them online like on Amazon or something, definitely look down below so you guys could go ahead and check that out. Okay, so here's everything that I got in the past 2 days. I had to turn up the music because, you know, I don't want the hubby to hear, but I'm gonna actually do a haul because I didn't know it was gonna be so much. But I did end up getting that seat right there. I changed my mirror table. I had it here. So I'm telling my husband to put this chandelier painting down so it could level with it. And then I'm planning to move this like to the side or put sconces there like I have over here. And I'm actually gonna put some flowers that I end up getting at Michael's over there. And then later on I'm gonna put like flowers that stick out. It's gonna be so pretty. So I actually ended up getting this thing to actually put up on my TV, and I think my living room is practically complete. I just need to you know, little knickknacks here and there, but now since practically my living room is all good, it's time to remodel the kitchen. Well, not remodel, but you know, add little things here and there. Of course I'm going to change out the knobs, all the knobs, and just add little like nice things around there. Here's the Meyer table right here. There's nothing much on there. Again, I do have to get more things, but I think it looks really good. Guess where we're going?
What? No way! Yes! 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 Yes!
Where are we going?
Legoland!
Where?
Legoland!
What? Legoland? Oh shit, I thought these were Disneyland tickets. So today I'm just, you know, quickly getting ready. No big deal. But I want to mention this lip gloss I ended up getting at TJ Maxx. It's Opal from Bite Beauty. I ended up actually first going in with the Makeup Forever number 22. Also, I got it at TJ Maxx, I think. Okay, so the kids are finally at school. I'm trying to find where he put my coffee at. Oh no. Oh, it's right here. Oh my god, I thought he put it in the freezer. I'm gonna drink a little bit of coffee and then repackage the chargers because they didn't work. After work, I get off at 7, so me and my husband are gonna go all the way across town to go get these placemats. Guys, they are so gorgeous. So hopefully in my next vlog you guys will be able to see how my table actually looks. As you could tell, like, this is as Easter as I'm gonna get right here, guys. Like, that's it. Okay, that's it. No, I don't know, for me Easter is not, you know, my best holiday, but yeah, so hopefully with those placemats everything's gonna like be like whoosh and pop out, you know. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Hopefully you guys like and subscribe and share. Follow all my social medias if you guys want to see more. I do go to Home Goods and TJ Maxx and all these kinds of stores often. So often that my husband probably would divorce me after this video. But either way, I hope you guys stay tuned for so much more. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye. My husband cooks the bombest spaghetti ever for life. And then these are not his eggs.